Okay, this is a demonstration on how to paint the entire hidden color wheel. This is a finished one. You're not going to have any patterns on it, but you want all of the colors to be nice and solid, but not too much paint. Here's another example. You can see which ones look lighter than others. So you have to do some extra layers or use more water on some areas. So here's what you are working on now. You're trying to get the 12 colors done. Here's one that's finished. Okay, so the 12 colors are done. Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to label, and I'm going to erase these labels. This student labeled these incorrectly, and then we're going to relabel. And what you want to do is have colors that are contrasting next to each other. And I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Okay, so I want to start on this outer area. I try to do the outer area first. And so if this is yellow, you can have a point. This could be the same color if you want, but I like to try and change things a little bit. So if I have yellow here, maybe I make this blue. And so we have yellow, orange, blue. I could make this one red. And then this one could be, so I have red, yellow, green. I could make this one purple. Okay, so that's one way to do that. You can just start labeling and then you just go out this way. Another thing to do is if this is red, then you find a shape that's not touching it. So this could be red. This one over here could be red. And this one could be red. And you want 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe I make this one red over here. So you want all of those to be painted at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. And come in closer. Okay, so we're going to, I'm going to kind of clean some of these up. So if some of these lines are a little bit dark, you can still see your lines if you clean up some of these lines, make them a little bit lighter. Okay, so that's going to help so that the paint doesn't get all smeary. Okay. And then I'm going to be painting these red, so I'm going to use this color. And I need to erase the letter before I paint it. And I'm going to paint the edges first. And I may have to go back and make another layer. And then I'm going to erase my next red space. And if you remember, we want to add more water. This is starting to get dry, so I don't need any more paint. I just need a little water. And now it's going to glide on the paper pretty nicely. Paint my edge. Looks like I need a little more water and paint. Okay, and then I would paint these 2 spaces or these 3 spaces as well. And then when I'm done with those, then I would start another color. And that's it.